Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video where today we're starting a new series with Austin Fournier, Hayden Caldwell. Oh, and this guy's named Sid, and that's what
I got a haircut, my G.
Yeah, I'm happy you got one.
I like your cut, G.
Wait, give me the balloon.
I like your cut, G.
Whoa! Ooh, it's not that cold anymore. I gotta go.
So what's the first challenge, guys? Austin's up first for who can breathe the longest. Come on.
Come on, feel the noise.
I know I'm gonna lose this one.
17 seconds.
Wait, can I get a rebound? Because I didn't.
No, 17 seconds is yours. Jacob's up next. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, man.
Oh. 10 seconds. Austin won that round.
Easy.
Okay, who can make the biggest splash? Austin's up next. Go.
He's gonna make the biggest splash.
All right.
Get
Jake's
out
up
the way.
next. Jake's up next. 1, 2, 3, go. Whose splash do you guys think is bigger?
Alright, next challenge is we gotta get in the pool. Who won that?
Guys, the next challenge is who can get it in this bucket?
Okay.
All right, Austin, you go first. Can you get it in this bucket? Oh, you actually got it. All right, can you do it, Jake? Go. Oh, nope.
We should fill this up.
All right, second go. Can Jacob get it? Nope. All right, third try. Can you get it in? Yes.
Thanks for trying to mess me up.
All right, guys, next challenge is who can get the most in their mouth.
Let me grease myself up, man.
Austin, you're first.
Is it jet?
Yeah.
No, it's when it's a shower if I'm ready.
All right.
Wait.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that one hurts.
All right, Jacob's turn.
No, Jake's going first. And then
Jacob probably won that round.
do it on shower. Wait.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.